Using Afterpay in-store is a convenient and easy way to shop now and pay later. To get started, you need to have an Afterpay account, which you can create online or through the Afterpay app. Once you have an account, you can use Afterpay in-store at participating retailers. When you find an item you want to purchase, let the sales associate know that you would like to use Afterpay as your payment method. They will then ring up the purchase and ask for your phone number, which is linked to your Afterpay account. You will then receive a prompt on your phone to confirm the purchase and the payment schedule. If you have sufficient funds available in your account, you can approve the purchase and the sales associate will finalize the sale. Afterpay will then divide the purchase amount into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. You can log into your Afterpay account to view your payment schedule and make payments online or through the app. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. Afterpay will send you reminders before each payment is due, and you can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Using Afterpay in-store is a great way to budget and manage your expenses, as you can see exactly how much you need to pay and when. Many retailers also offer Afterpay as a payment option, so you can use it at your favorite stores. To get the most out of using Afterpay in-store, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions, including any fees associated with late payments. By following these steps and using Afterpay responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of shopping now and paying later.